call him Lily of the Valley. You say you never ever leave him. Oh, Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say?
I know you like the melodies, I know you like the song. You say you make my Jesus proud, but yet your life is wrong. You be singing, you be dancing, you be calling him the love of God. The last time that we checked, you were sleeping with another man.
You say when he calls, you come running, but you know in your heart you just lying. Oh, it's time to get rid of the melodies and let us face reality, my brother.
You mean what you say, don't you see how you are losing God for likes? Your battery always full, but your prayer life was done. You are calling Jesus, but you're dressing like the world. It's your promise, keeper, but you never made it, Lord.
You say when he calls, you come running, but the last time that we checked, you're not coming. No, you're a reckless lover, but you know what's over. Say, my brother, do you mean what you say? No, you call him Lily of the Valley. You say you never ever leave him. Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say? No, you call him Lily of the Valley. Oh, you say you never ever leave him. Oh, Jesus today, Jesus tomorrow. What do you mean what you say? Do you mean? Leave me alone. You're not serious. You're not serious.
Hello, thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was a great asset to you. And I hope it was also not a waste of time. If you haven't commented, if you haven't liked, please do that. And for more videos, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos.